Hello, welcome back to the practical aspect of this class. So today I'll show you how to design this simple social media flyer that you can see on my screen. So in the previous video I show you how you can import picture or images from your gallery. When you click on this plus icon and you click on from gallery, it's going to take you to your gallery. Then you pick whatever you need. You search for where you have those images you want to use for your design. Like in my own case, I have it here already. I want the video to be short and meaningful. I don't want it to be lengthy, so I have what I needed already. And this eye icon that I'm pressing, can you see? You use it to hide design elements or images that you are not using currently. So I have hide those things, and this is the design. This is how it looks like. So we'll start by changing our background. Press the background icon. The background is white. Color, then change it to white. Then after that, bring out this. So tap on it and drag it so that it will be enlarged. Place it somewhere around here. Now this is a logistic flyer, and the background that I want to use has to do with this is a road and houses around or offices around it. So it has to do with something that is related to the flyer you want to design. For instance, I cannot be using image of food, rice, and it depends. Although I can use images of food if the logistic company transports food, like maybe a logistic company that transports food item, or logistic company for a restaurant. It's quite different. But this one is just a general logistic company, so I'm using these images to illustrate some things there. So put it here, then click on image, the shapes icon here. The shapes icon here. Click on it. Then you see opacity. Click on it. Then you reduce it. I'm reducing it to 5%. So now I'm done with that. If I want to lock it, this is the when you press on this, it will lock and you will not be able to move it since we are done with it. So it will not be disturbing you doing some other things. So bring out this, increase the size by dragging, or you can also increase the size here. Do you see this relative size? The relative size that you are seeing here is for increasing and decreasing the size. Can you see? So this is okay. Put it in the middle. How do you put it in the middle? Relative position. This. So it's going to centralize it. Now we are done. Click on the image again and go to color filter. I want to change the color to orange. It is more of yellow, so I'm leaving the hue in -27. Take note when you are doing your own. Let me check. I want it to be orange color. -29 is okay. So I'll click on this place. So it will take me here and I will lock it. Now the next thing is the text that we have there. So pick a shape. I'm using square. Drag it to decrease the size. I'm dragging it up. Then from the right inward, put the shape here. Then let's change the color. Now I'll press this plus icon here. It will bring me here. Then I'll press this because I want to pick the color. I don't want to guess. If I want to guess, I can just use this place and then take any color. But I don't want to guess, so I'm picking the color from my flyer. So click on anywhere that you want to pick the color. Then I'll pick the color from here. Press OK and OK again. Relative position, it will bring it will take you to the middle. Then the text, click on the plus icon here. Click on text, drag it here, double click on it. The name of the company is Zik Logistic. So click on A so that we will be able to edit the text. White color, size, reduce the size. Reduce the size, then change the font. You see fonts there. Copy the first text, drag it here, then change the color to the first color we use, orange. Double tap on it. We know they disappoint. Change the scroll to font. Change the font to another thing. Okay, I'm using popping bold. In case you don't have, you can just, as a beginner, you can just use any good font that you have. Then you can scroll again to style. Yes, I'm bolding it again. I want it to be bold so it will be clear. So the remaining thing is copy this, bring it here, change the color to black, the phone number and the email. Reduce the size, bring it here, then type the phone number. Because you know it's in social media. This is if anyone wants to patronize the company or the brand, this is the number they will call. Copy again the email, ziklogistic@gmail.com. Reduce the size, bring it here. Reduce the size of the phone number to 15. The size of the email is what? 16. Make it 15 too. So position, this is used to, if you don't want to drag on the screen, you can use this to shift your elements, maybe your image or your text. So this, can use that. Then the next thing is to take another shape. Now put it somewhere around here. You can still readjust it later. Then go to scroll up. Don't click on OK, just scroll up and reduce the opacity. And we are changing the color to the first color we used the first time. So the opacity is 56%. So let me hide this. I think we are done with all the necessary information we need. We provide the best courier service. So that's the test. I'll just copy this, bring it here, change the color to black, then edit it. The best service. Okay, and decrease the size. I want to check something here. Okay. Now the next thing is to arrange everything and make sure they are in the right place. This will be coming here. Click on shape again, shape icon, then relative position to centralize it. Click on text. If you are editing text, don't forget you have to be clicking on the A here. So it will bring you anything that is related to text. And if you are editing anything on shapes, you have to click on the shape icon so that it will take you to things related to, it will take you to tools related to shape. So if you are editing text and you are clicking on, for instance now I want to edit this text and I'm clicking on this shape icon, I will not be able to edit it because I'm not working with shape. And if you are editing the shapes and you are clicking on A, you will not be able to edit it. So don't make that mistake. Some people will come back and they'll be like, I'm not getting it, it is not pressing, especially for the first timer. Just get it right now. If you are editing your text, click on A, so you will see all those icons related to text. And if you are editing your shape, click on the shape icon. It is not something that is hard, so don't let it stress you. The video is getting too long. We are done. We are done. I'm looking for a better font. Okay. So let me go to style and press bold. So this is, can you see it is very simple to do? And with this we have come to the end of this video. Okay, look at this. So you have to be very careful when you're working. Look at what I wrote here. We need no they disappoint. What is the meaning of that? So I have to edit it. We know they disappoint. This spacing is too much. As a designer, you are a communicator, so you must check your spelling error, grammars, and everything to make sure that it is correct. This email address, as it has entered this corner before, so I have to bring it out. So all these things, they are the things that add up to make your work a good work. Imagine if I just leave it like this and M is in corner and the number is here, so I have to bring it out. It is why designing is not a joke. No matter how simple it is, you have to pay attention to the details. And we are done. So remember, save as projects, then you save as image. I'm not saving as any because I have it on my phone already. This will not disappoint. Come here, click on A and relative position. So to make it, we are centralizing everything. So for everything to be in center, you have to click on this one. We are good to go. Bye. Practice what you have learned and don't forget to ask for help.